What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Hornz from Roblox Piggy. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Now we're going to start with the one on the left from the very top. Go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye and pull that back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same sized oval on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to add a stain coming down from each eye. So starting from the left side, coming down, bend this up to create a drip, come down lower. Just going to add one more going up towards the inside of the eye. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each eye. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw on the cheekbones. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this down and then bend that in. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back to the side. We're going to work our way up along the side of the head and then in towards the base of the horns. Let's add a small half circle. And we'll close out the center with a curve, going up and then down. Let's place those horns inside the socket. Starting from this point, bend the horn going up and then out. I'm just going to round out the horn and bend that back in toward the tip. Now from the tip, we're just going to taper this so it gets wider as they come around and then down about halfway. Let's add one more spike coming in and then up. Just trace that horn, coming around and back in. And I want to pull this back down towards the top of that socket. Let's go back down to the cheeks and add in the teeth. We're going to start on the left side, coming down and then up to create a point. Let's add another one, coming down a little bit longer and back up. Let's add a squared off tooth, coming down, across, and then up. I'm going to add one more tooth on either side, coming down, up in the middle, come down and over towards the right. Now I'm just going to round out the top of the teeth. From that center point, I'm going to bend this up and then down toward the left. Continue going all the way across the teeth towards the cheeks. Now I'm going to move to the inside and draw two small ovals for the nostrils and fill those in black. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add in the hair. Let's start from the left side of the horn. I'm going to bend this in and then up. Bend this back down. In and up towards the top. Bend this out and then down towards the right. Let's add one more point, going up and then back down. Let's add the hair along the side. Start from the outside of the horn, go around the head, and then back out. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll add a point, pulling this back in. And we'll come down along the side, going down and out. Now let's bend this back up and then in underneath the cheeks. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the teeth. Bend the body going out and then down towards the hips. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go to the center of the body and add a curve across the base of the chest. Let's go back to the center, step down, curve this up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. And then we're going to add a horn along the end of the foot. So we're going to bend this around and then in. Let's bring this down and then in on top of the foot. Now from the inside of this horn, we're going to curve the foot going up and then down towards the heel. From the top of the foot, let's curve the leg going out and then up towards the first horn. We'll bend this down and in, and then down towards the inside of the legs. Let's add another layer on top. We're going to step down, bend this out, and then in. Come down and in, and then down towards the inside of the legs. Now going back to the hips, we're going to add one more horn going out and then up. Bend this down and then in behind. Now let's move to the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arms. We're going to start from the left side, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right side, coming down towards the same height. It's going to round out the wrist, going up and then down. Now just like we did with the legs, we're going to add some layers of spikes along the side. Let's start on the left, going out and then in. Now from here, come down and in, and then back down toward the inside of the arms. Let's add another layer, stepping down, going out and then in. Curve this in and then down towards the inside of the arm along the top. Now from this point, we're going to step down, bend the arm going up and in towards the shoulder, add a point coming down, and then go up underneath the head. Now we're going to go back to the wrist and draw in the claws. Let's start from here. Bend this around and then out. And bend this up to create a point towards the hand. Now let's add two claws on either side. We're going to start up here, bend this around and then in towards the bottom. Go around the outside of the claw, round this out, and then come down towards the inside of the hand. Let's add that second claw from the side, going out and then in. Go all the way around, just tuck this in towards the side. Now let's go back to the left side. We're just going to close out the hand, going up and in towards the wrist. Let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Hornz from Roblox Piggy. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to access our free sketch workshops, join our club newsletter. I'll leave the link in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.